Alright guys, welcome to the second video. Remember, watch these videos in this chronology from video 1 to video 2, 3 and so on and so forth, so you can follow the entire process. Now the objective of this program is to help you earn money on a decentralized program. What is decentralization? It simply means you are in complete control of your money. See, when you put your money in a bank account, your bank controls your money, not you. When you put your money in maybe a tax saving scheme, that company controls your money, not you. If you're working, say, in the space of multi-level marketing, you're selling a company's home essential products and cosmetics, that company controls your money. They take a profit and they pay you a commission. And of course, if you don't meet a target, you don't get paid. And in multi-level marketing, you have to make people buy products every single month, right? But we are working on smart contracts. Now, how does this work? It's very simple. Step 1, you first need to get registered on a cryptocurrency exchange. If you're in India, get registered on Binance.com to deposit your money. And you will also get registered on wazirex.com, another Indian exchange, to withdraw your money. KYC is compulsory on both these platforms. Then step 2, you will deposit 10,900 rupees to 12,900 rupees worth of INR. 10,900 rupees is approximately $135, or 12,900 rupees is 150 US dollars. So deposit this in your Binance Exchange. I have a detailed YouTube tutorial on how to deposit money over there. Okay. Next, you will use that money to buy a crypto called Binance coin. Now, the next step is to download your decentralized wallet called Token Pocket. Why do you need this? Because you will transfer your Binance coin to this Token Pocket to activate your smart contracts. Now, remember, a company is not paying you money. We are using a software on the Binance Smart Chain to buy these smart contracts. And when people buy these smart contracts from you, that money will get deposited in your Token Pocket where you are in control of your money. Token Pocket will not control your money. No one controls it except you. So download Token Pocket and transfer your money from Binance to Token Pocket. Again, follow my YouTube videos. They are 2 to 3 minute, easy to follow tutorials. Once your money is in there, you will activate 8 to 9 smart contracts. And either if you sell them or other people in the community sells them, you earn money repeatedly. Now, if you want to sell it, that's your choice. You will earn instantly. If we sell it, you still make money instantly. But I cannot tell you when we will sell it. We can sell it in 1 week, we can sell it in 5 months. But the money will come to you all the same. Alright? Now, why do we work on decentralization? Let's understand this. Sorry, before we get into decentralization, now people are buying a smart contract, so you're earning money. Let's say you have earned 1 lakh rupees worth of cryptocurrency called Binance USD. BUSD is what you earn. 1 BUSD is equal to 1 US dollar or 77 Indian rupees. So you're earning this cryptocurrency. What do you do next? Do you just blow up your money? No. We will show you how to use this money to buy specific cryptocurrencies and sell it at a profit. So we will give you buy and sell calls. So your 1 lakh rupees, or that's $1,200, grows and becomes even more money. Now, why is this important? There are more than 11,000 cryptocurrencies. Which one should you buy? Which one should you sell? We will give you those signals. You just have to follow it. It's simple. And when you're earning this money, we will show you how to put it in a decentralized exchange where you start earning a monthly passive profit every single month. Because when your money is in a decentralized exchange, it means you control your money, not a bank, not anyone else. And how powerful is this? Let me give you a simple example. Say you want to earn 24 lakh Indian rupees, that's 23,000 US dollars at the end of 12 months. To do this, you will need to deposit 4 crore 30 lakh Indian rupees in your bank's fixed deposit. That's approximately $400,000. So if you deposit 4 crore 30 lakhs in your bank's fixed deposit, at the end of 12 months, you're getting 24 lakh Indian rupees as interest. Now, If you deposit 18 lakh Indian rupees worth of cryptocurrency in a decentralized crypto exchange, every month you will earn 1 lakh rupees worth of cryptocurrency. 18 lakh rupees is 23,000 US dollars. 1 lakh rupees is $1,200. So what do you want to do? Do you want to deposit 4 crores, 30 lakh rupees in your bank's fixed deposit where they make money and control your money? Or do you want to learn to use smart contracts to earn 18 lakh rupees and then put that in another decentralized exchange where you are in control and then you're earning a passive income every month? So this is our program where you are in charge of your money, not me.